Quick one, let's build an AI agent in under 10 minutes. If you've been sleeping on fastbots, consider this your wake-up call. I'm going to show you exactly how to create, train, and launch your first AI agent without writing a single line of code. Step 1, create your account. Head over to fastbots.ai and sign up for a free account. No credit card is required to get started. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. You'll see a button that says Create New Chatbot. Click it, and you're ready to begin. Step 2, name your AI agent. Give your agent a name. This isn't just for fun. If you're building it for your business or a client, this name appears in the chat widget customers interact with. Choose something professional, memorable, and aligned with your brand. Step 3, train it on your data. This is where the real magic happens. Fastbots allows you to train your AI agent using your own content. You can simply paste your website, URL, and the platform will automatically crawl and learn from your site. You can upload PDFs, such as FAQs, product guides, service documents, pricing sheets, and company policies. You can even paste raw text directly into the system. Everything you provide becomes your AI agent's knowledge base. Click Train and give it about 30 seconds to process. Step 4, customize your agent. Once training is complete, head over to the Tune AI section in the settings. This is where you define your agent's personality and behavior. You can create custom instructions that guide how it responds. For example, you are a friendly customer support assistant for XYZ brand. Always greet customers warmly, answer questions clearly, and never discuss competitor products. You can also adjust the tone of voice, choose the response style, and set the languages your AI agent can communicate in. This is what transforms a generic chatbot into an extension of your brand. Step 5, test before you launch. Never skip this step. Fastbots includes a built-in chat preview so you can interact with your AI agent before going live. Ask the kinds of questions your customers would actually ask. Test different scenarios and check whether the responses are accurate and helpful. If something doesn't sound right, simply add more training data, retrain the bot, and test again until you're happy with the results. Step 6, deploy your AI agent. Once everything looks good, it's time to launch. Fastbots gives you an embed code that you can copy and paste directly into your website. If you don't have a website yet, you can share your chatbot using a direct link. But that's not all. Your AI agent can also extend beyond your website. Depending on your setup and integrations, you can connect it to platforms like WhatsApp to automate customer support. Answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and provide instant responses around the clock. You can also use AI-powered conversations across social media channels such as Facebook Messenger, Instagram, direct messages, and other customer communication platforms through supported integrations and automation tools. This means your audience gets fast, consistent support no matter where they reach out from. Imagine having an assistant that responds to inquiries, captures leads, guides customers, and supports your audience 24/7 while you focus on growing your business. And that's it. What used to take developers weeks of work and thousands of dollars can now be done by you in under 10 minutes with zero coding skills. If you want more step-by-step tutorials on AI agents, automation tools, and practical ways to use AI in your business, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next post.